to enable or disable ringer on a Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro, then in that case we have a couple of methods. You can, for example, open settings, then in here scroll down a little bit and go to sound and vibration. And then in here we should be able to find the silent mode, which we can use to immediately mute our smartphone, or of course you can turn the ringer back on by disabling the silent mode. You can also use volume up or volume down to reveal this panel over here. Of course, usually we change the volume of media on our phone, but while we have this panel visible, you can tap on this bell, which also activates or deactivates the silent mode, which of course enables or disables the ringer. And of course, you can also go to the control center or quick settings, and then here we can find a similar bell. So if it's activated, if you have the silent mode enabled, then the ringer is disabled. And if you turn it off, then you will reactivate the ringer. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.